Today I'm introducing this amazing clock, so let's explore it together. Look at this beautiful old style wall clock. It's just like gorgeous. It adds this elegance to my room, to my kitchen. It is no ticking. It's just like perfect. Look how beautiful that is. I'm so in love with it. It has beautiful paint that is antique style. Also look at the wallpaper inside, and you cannot hear any ticking. That's so comfortable. It's so nice. The ticking usually like really bothers me. I love it. Hope you like it. Cheers.